Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Edge controller has the required firmware and at least 20% battery, so the process won't be interrupted. Once connected via USB-C or paired over Bluetooth, open the Edge Companion app and authenticate. Make sure to export or save the current profile. This lets you revert if anything goes wrong. Now navigate to the device page and tap controls to begin changing buttons. This gets you straight to the mapping interface without extra setup steps. Once in mapping, choose Quick Swap for simple changes or custom macro when you need sequences. You'll tap the physical button on the controller so the app detects it, then pick the target action or record a macro. This avoids misassigning buttons. Make sure to set options like sensitivity, debounce delay, and whether the input is hold versus tap, because these affect responsiveness. After each change, use the app's test panel to verify the behavior before moving on. Finish by saving the profile and syncing it to the controller, then reboot the device so settings fully apply. You should test every remapped button in real scenarios, menu navigation and gameplay to confirm expected results. If a button misfires or doesn't register, first reload your backup profile. If that fails, reflash firmware or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember to keep increments small and retest after each change so you can isolate any problematic mapping quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.